Hi, little piggy. Are you my piggy? No, you're not. You're Andrew's girl. You're Rose. Hey, Rose. Oh, are you going to chew on my boot? Such a pretty piggy. And we've got Hosmer. And that's my big one in the back. And there's Charlotte. Number 27, your name is now Charlotte. Ow! Stop. I'm not a chew toy. Here, come get some water, buddy. Come get some water, girly girl. Yeah. Come get some water. So loud. Alright, let's try to get over this. Let's go find Roman. Roman! Hey, buddy! Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. I'm doing that to her. Hey, Roman! Oh, buddy! All the cows. Hey, buddy boy. Hey. Yeah. Hey, baby. You need some more? Oh, come on, boy. Yeah. You can go eat now? You can go back to bed. Back to bed? Yep. Come here, Belle. Hey, Belle, I got something for you. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Hello, Charlotte. Hello, Charlotte. Hey, little piggy. Oh, so cute. The two girls. Are the boys still in bed? Yeah? Yeah? Why are you tilting your head? You get some water in your ear? Rose. Here's my other one. Hey, calm down. Not sure what to call him. Not sure what to... Hey, settle down. Here comes the little piggy. So cute. Ew, ew, ew. Don't lick on me. Oh, isn't he so cute? He's so cute. Yeah, come here, cutie pie. Guys do know that there's another pan here. Come here, look. Hey, booger girl, come here. Come here. Look, look. Yeah, right down there. Nope, no, not my hand. There you go. There. Charlotte got it. Oh, there's little piggy. He's so cute. Oh. Oh. Hey, little piggy, come in here and get this water. I think it'll be easier for you to reach. Oh, pretty piggies. Alright, babies. These are my two right here. Yeah. Yeah, what'd you think? Alright, bye-bye, piggies.